Mother-daughter.
Yes.
I'm a nurse practitioner. She's my RN, aesthetic nurse specialist. Our clinic is located in Huntington Beach, California. This class, facial injection, anatomy with Dr. Chris Surek is, I've seen a lot of people really liking it, learning from it. This is a game changer for us.
Having the hands-on experience is way different than seeing a video. So it was just a great learning experience, and it's not something that anyone can do every day. So this is definitely going to help bring me to the next level instantly.
We always want to know the safest and the best techniques for our patients, and also to create the best results for them. Together with my daughter, learning from it creates that best experience for us, and I'm sure it will also elevate the levels of service and treatment we will bring to our patients.